I'm very proud, really very proud that we are in the final, that we changed completely situation from beginning. You know, you are journalist, how was here in beginning. Now is the stadium maybe full. Tomorrow, fans are coming, everyone is happy. Of course, how to explain that I'm so happy to come in the final. But of course, if you are there, you try to win, because I know from first day, you know, how difficult situation was here, and we change, be playing better. Of course, on the way to some success, you'll lose the games. Is the normal, you know. Is the sport. But I'm happy. Fans are back. This is not for the first time that more than 5,000 people are back in the stadium, and I never forget. First my game, I said to my assistant, also counting how many people are here, was 72. First game, 72, and maybe tomorrow 15,000, and that is a big success for the club, from the players and for everyone from Qatar.
هي مباراة حتكون كبيرة إن شاء الله بين الفريقين، فإن شاء الله نكونوا في المستوى نقدموا مباراة كبيرة اللي حتكون مش سهلة، واللي حتلعب على جزئيات صغيرة. إن شاء الله نكونوا في المستوى ونقدموا كاع اللي علينا باش نقدموا مباراة كبيرة. نحن نلعبوا مع فريق مش سهل اللي حيكون عنده لاعبين عندهم خبرة ممتازين. إن شاء الله نقدموا كاع المستويات باش نكونوا أفضل إن شاء الله.
Gonna be a very tough game because it's a team who are used to play this kind of games. It's a team who are used to win titles, and also it's a team with very good coach on Zeljko Petrovic. But you know, if you look at us, that's what we have to do. We have been better since August, and we start to show that. And you know, it's football. No, none coach in the world can ask for time, and I didn't do that either. But you know, the club trusts in the process, and we can see it today because, like I said, we just become better and better.
Do you think playing the second game at home is advantage for you?
No, it shouldn't be. You know, and they have already changed that away goals system also, so it shouldn't be. Of course, if we win, it's going to be more fun in front of our fans. Second game that okay, now we don't have any more games.
We know when we have them behind us that we get that extra percent to run more and play for them more, and you can feel it. We have showed it, especially at home. When they are behind us, it's a different feeling.
فأكيد إن إحنا من يساندونا الجماهير، نحن نقدر ندخل في الملعب أكثر، ندي بشكل أكثر. نحن نعرف إنه أكو قوة إضافية لفريقنا، فنحن أكيد نحتاجهم يساندونا ويدعمونا.